Where's Peekaboo? Where did he? Oh! There. Peekaboo.
Are you ready? Oh. Take a picture. Are you ready?
Yep.
Here we go. Woo! God, that was whoopsie.
You crack me up.
Oh, sorry.
Did you hit your brother?
Yes, I'm sorry. Now, Gripper, like this. I'm going to teach him, all right?
Okay. What is he doing up there?
Right? Are you ready?
Yep.
Here we go. Hey, watch this. Are you ready?
Yep.
Why do you make fun of me?
Grayson is 16 months.
16?
Yes.
What's for 16 months?
He's been alive for 16 months.
And then
You've been alive for 4 years.
4?
Yeah.
Whoa. It would be awesome if I was just like this.
You will be like that soon.
Look,
Oh.
it's spider web.
Oh, goodness.
This is spider web.
Yep, it's true.
Can I have some?
It's all gone.
I'll get some more.
Okay. Grayson, say You drank it too fast. Poor guy. What do you want to watch? What do you want to watch? You want to watch Blue's Clues? Is that Blue's Clues? Yeah.